Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Install Python and create a virtual environment so dependencies stay isolated. Once done, pick your database type, Postgres, MySQL, or SQLite, and install the matching Python driver with pip. Make sure to store credentials in environment variables rather than hard-coding them. Then, create a minimal config file or dict for connection parameters, so you can reuse values across modules and avoid repetition. Next, you build the actual connection and optional ORM layer. Compose a connection's string and parse credentials from environment variables or a secret store. This reduces risk. Then open a lightweight test connection and run a trivial query like select1 to validate network and auth. Once validated, create an SQLAlchemy engine and session maker if you want ORM conveniences. Define one model and map it to a table so you can insert and query with Python objects instead of raw SQL. Finally, you make the integration robust and repeatable. Run database migrations or create required tables programmatically. Alembic works for SQLAlchemy migrations. Add connection pooling, ensure you close or return sessions, and wrap operations in transactions with rollback on exceptions. Log failures clearly so you can trace issues. If things go wrong, check environment variables, firewall rules, port accessibility, and driver compatibility. These are the most common culprits and usually fix the problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.